Very good morning students, hope you are fine at home. Today we will discuss in your second book, in your syllabus, Politics in India since Independence. In this book we will read first chapter, Challenges of Nation Building. In this chapter we will read problem faced in the process of partition of India and the challenge of the new nation. First point, at the hour of midnight on 14-15 August 1947, India attained independence. Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister of Free India. The famous book, Speech Trust with Destiny, given by Jawaharlal Nehru. India had two goals, almost everyone agreed upon. One, that after independence, we shall run our country through democratic government, and second, that the government will be run for the good of all. These are the challenges of new nation. Next topic is three challenges which are faced. First challenge, the challenge was to shape a nation that was united also. It has a lot of varieties, different languages, different cultures and religions. Second challenge was to establish democracy. The third challenge was to ensure the development and well-being of the entire society. Here the Constitution clearly laid down the principle of equality and special protections to all. There are the three challenges that faced on that time when we got freedom. Next topic is partitions, displacement and rehabilitation. On 14-15 August 1947, not one but two nation-states came into existence, India and Pakistan. This was a result of partition, the division of British India into India and Pakistan. According to two-nation theory made by Muslim League, India consisted of not one but two people, Hindu and Muslims. That is why it demanded Pakistan, a separate country for Muslim. But the Congress opposed this theory on that time. Our next topic is process of partition. It was decided that India would be divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. It was decided to follow the principle of religious majority. It means that areas where the Muslims were in majority would make up the territory of Pakistan. Rest was to stay with India. There was two areas, one in the west and one in the east. There was no way there was two parts could be joined. So it was decided that new country Pakistan will comprise two territories, West and East Pakistan separated by a long expanse of Indian territory. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, known as Frontier Gandhi, opposed to two-nation theory. Other problem was two of the Muslim majority. Provinces of British India, Punjab and Bengal had very larger area where the non-Muslim were in majority. It was decided that these two provinces would be splitted according to the religious majority at a district level. Next point is ninth. A large number of people did not know on the day of independence whether they were in India or Pakistan. The partition of these two provinces caused the biggest tragedy of partitions. Other difficulty of the problem of partition is that of minority on both sides of the borders. Lack of Hindus and Sikhs in that area that were now in Pakistan and equally larger number of Muslims on the Indian side of Punjab and Bengal found themselves trapped. They were to discover that were undesirable aliens in their own home, in the land where they and their ancestors had lived for centuries. As soon as it became clear that country was going to be partitions, very soon violence went out of control.